1966 Buick Skylark GS hardtop, silver mist and Regal Black over black. This is one cool car.
Yeah.
401 cubic inch Wildcat V8. This is the gentleman's muscle car. It's kind of like the Grand Prix and the Skylark from this era, and some of these other cars that were, the Impala had lots of power, but were a little more luxurious and comfortable than say a Camaro in the late 60s, or even some of the Malibus and the Chevelles in the early mid 60s. And this thing, 2-speed automatic, and it's got power brakes, which is nice.
It's a bonus.
It's a real bonus.
This is a what I call a lottery car. That if I won the lottery, this one would be in it. I just love these old square body Buicks,
and they're great drivers.
Good drivers, beautiful car.
Pontiacs and Buicks, for some reason to me, drove about as good as any car, including Cadillacs or Lincolns. Actually, better than Lincolns without question. Cadillacs were pretty close, and the three there that they just drove nice. They were just. It's funny. I was talking to somebody who I'll let you in later. Anyway, his dad drove a car that you wouldn't expect. He drove an Oldsmobile Tornado because he's used to driving race cars and fast cars and cars that are loud and smelly and oily. And a Tornado, you just get in, put it in drive, and away you go. And sometimes that's a plus.
Yeah, great driving car.
Yeah.